Hi everyone, here's a quick recap of Penfield's study of the interpretive cortex, a key study for section C of your psychology GCSE exam. Penfield wanted to investigate the effect of stimulating certain areas of the brain, wanting to find out if brain function actually was localised. So what Penfield did is he carried out case studies on epilepsy patients. Now Penfield was a world-famous brain surgeon, so when he was conducting brain surgery on these epileptic patients, he applied gentle electrical stimulation to different cortex areas and essentially asked the participants to describe what happened. When he stimulated different cortex areas, each participant reported different reactions depending on what area of the cortex he was stimulating. If he was stimulating the visual cortex, participants reported seeing things such as balloons. If he stimulated the auditory cortex, participants reported hearing things like pianos. If he stimulated their motor cortex, the participants moved to different parts of the body depending which bit he stimulated. And if he stimulated the somatosensory cortex, the participants felt like they were being touched. He also noticed that when he stimulated a different part of the temporal lobe, that some participants reported that they were reliving really deep emotional memories, leading him to conclude that he had found a new cortex area that he called the interpretive cortex. In conclusion, Penfield concluded that brain function is indeed localised, meaning that different areas of the brain have different jobs, and he did identify that in the temporal lobe there is a new cortex area called the interpretive cortex, which stores your emotional memories.